to a lot of awards, but this belongs to us. So I really can't explain how excited and happy to just be here amongst my Caribbean people to celebrate with them. It's just an overwhelming rush of excitement that I'm feeling right now. To be at, this is my award now, but I'm Caribbean people thing. I all take this now. So I'm happy to be here.
I saw you when you first got on the carpet. It was like a reunion.
It is a reunion. It is a reunion. I just saw Baby Sham walk up to me, and that's my brother. He's one of the persons who has been supporting me because I started this business. I've been here for 20 years, but my first hit song came from Baby Sham and David Kelly. So it's really a reunion, and I haven't seen him for a long time. So the rush of excitement was like, oh my God! So I'm sure it's gonna be so much fun. Jada Kingdom, my sister, is here as well, so I'm excited to see her. We're on our screen, and I'm just happy to be here.
You're looking forward to,
I'm good with it. No, you look great. You look great. So, Toby, are you excited about the
And right in front of you, right here.
I'm super excited. It's a moment that I'm just so happy to be here, so grateful. You don't represent the Caribbean. And I tell people all the time, it doesn't matter where in the Caribbean you're from. I'm a woman from Jamaica, but we are all one. So I'm just happy for the togetherness, the different Caribbeans coming together on this unique moment. So I'm just elated to be here. I'm super humbled. I'm grateful. And I'm excited to see everybody. So I get excited a while about so much on the carpet. And then I saw Baby Sham because I'm just so happy to see all of us here coming together in love and unity for something that belongs to us. Yes. And what do you think about it?
1 second, I'm coming.
Absolutely, because the Caribbean culture is so influential. And I feel like sometimes people don't give us the respect. Jealous because I'm winning them. Oh yes, Spice is winning them. Fox 5 right now, we're winning them. La 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 la. Don't have no problem with nobody, no drama. Right, as a Fox 5 music queen of dancehall I represent. You know the thing, no? Big up yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Caribbean Music Awards. Keep it locked. Spice to that. Yes, wait, Spice.
Yo,
you don't know me represent for Jamaica yard. Can you look for me as Island me represent?
everybody, the Caribbean. Yo, man, so you've accomplished a lot over your career, man. How does it feel right now to be a Caribbean youth?
We're outside Caribbean Music Awards. Look at us. If you want to know which part of the Caribbean we come from, look how we have the dumpling.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not our overnight success. And it was only because of the grace of God why I'm standing here tonight. It was only because of fans like you who took the time out to vote for me. So I want to dedicate this to my best to them.
Regular. Beautiful. Another one. Beautiful. Miss
Oh yeah, man.
You look good, yeah.
You can look at
that.
Yo, my
I will give.
I will give my pin. I will try that again.
What's my name?
No, why that is it? That no pussy to say no more. Yeah.
What's everybody?
Caribbean Music Awards. Yeah.
I don't know if you guys have followed the Carnival the last couple of months, but I think Booyah Music got music Carnival. Right? Right? Booyah Music, I just Spice, shaking up and pull in
Regular. Beautiful. Another one. Beautiful. Miss
Oh yeah, man.
You look good, yeah.
You can look at that.
Worldwide Clam Show. First of all, what do we got in common? We both have Grammys.
Definitely.
Okay, but I'm gonna present you with something bigger than the Grammys, okay? So at the end of the day, man, from one Caribbean man to the next, you know what I'm saying? this is an honor. I am presenting you the album of the year, Reggae 2023, man. And it's an honor. We love you, brother. And you know, this is how the Caribbean Music Awards do, because we have to document all of this, because long after we gone, we want the youth to know that. Again, congratulations. You're amazing, man.
I appreciate it. I've been a big fan of you for a long time.
Yeah, you hear who's clapping for you? You see who's clapping for you?
Yeah,
that's right. Yeah.
They gave me another one, album of the year for reggae.
Yes, yes.
This man was celebrated tonight, and I'm glad to be here. It was an incredible moment celebrating the career of this elite legend. Celebrated tonight, and I'm glad to be here. It was an incredible moment celebrating the career of this elite legend right here. You know? No, but give thanks for this. Give thanks, give thanks, LiQWYD.
And this is your second one, you know.
Yeah, right.
We have to make it everybody know
the
Impact Award,
yeah,
right? Because not only you doing the
thing.
music, the impact of it.
So we double up this year.
Yeah.
Give thanks. The Calling album is out. Support the music. Support reggae music, conscious music. You know what I mean? That's what we're all about. Enough respect.